Welcome to the Nova Armada channel, and hello to my future subscribers and to my loyal subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Kalitta Charters II Boeing 737-436SF, painted in a unique pattern of gray and red striping for its livery. Please watch to the end to see this aircraft's full history. Built by the Boeing Company in the early 1990s from the Boeing factory in Renton, Washington, this Boeing 737 was delivered for a long passenger service career at its first operator, British Airways, on December 10th of 1991. Initially registered as Golf-Delta Oscar Charlie Foxtrot and painted in the British Airways 1990s era Landor livery. At the time of the delivery, the aircraft had been named River Beauly, a river found west of the Scottish city Inverness. In 1998, along with the massive repainting of all British Airways aircraft, this aircraft received the Kogutki Lowickie World Tail design representing Poland. In 2006, British Airways did away with the World Tail livery scheme and transitioned all its aircraft to the current Union Jack livery, which all active British Airways aircraft wear today. This aircraft could fly up to its exit limit of 149 passengers, but typical two-class seating usually sat around 126 passengers on board at any one time. Flying ranges up to about 2,400 nautical miles, or about 4,400 kilometers. 24 years of passenger service saw this aircraft retired by British Airways in 2015 to the Victorville Boneyard in California. As can be seen in these photos, the aircraft was stored in and amongst many other airliners awaiting cargo conversion or scrapping. The aircraft was designated for cargo conversion and was purchased by Kalitta Charters II in 2018. The aircraft underwent this cargo conversion in Miami, Florida, before being flown up to the Willow Run Airport in Michigan. During the cargo conversion process, the aircraft got its current gray and red striped livery and was re-registered as November 405 Charlie Kilo. As a cargo aircraft, a typical Boeing 737-400 model can carry over 73,240 pounds or 33,180 kilograms of cargo in a rounded space measuring 1,373 cubic feet or 38.9 meters cubed. As when the aircraft was a passenger jet, the aircraft can fly at cruising speeds up to 473 knots or 876 kilometers an hour with two CFM International CFM56 high bypass turbofans powering the jet with up to 23,500 pounds force or 105 kilonewtons each. As of the middle of 2023, this aircraft continues in service to Kalitta Charters II around North America and to points beyond. The video on the screen now is a 1/400 scale model produced by a company called Gemini Jets in 2023. This particular model, as seen here, is the only known model produced of this aircraft by any other company in any other scale. For any enterprise that is interested, this channel is available for advertising for your company. This opportunity is available for all reputable North American companies. Please contact me at the shown email address for details. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you watch my videos from start to finish helps me get a larger distribution around YouTube, which will bring in more subscribers. That will then repeat this process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.